Hey guys, Steve here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. I'm finally getting around to making the videos that are long overdue on our solar system. And we're gonna start off with the EG4 inverters, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about those and what we have going on here. All right guys, as you can see here on the wall, we have two of the EG4 18K inverters from Signature Solar. We also have 18 of the EG4 LL batteries. 12 are the LLV2s and 6 are the LLS. This provides us with a total of 90 kilowatt hours of battery storage. Each battery cabinet has 2 runs of 2-aught copper wire to the bus bar. Each inverter also has 2 runs of 2-aught wire to the bus bar. The solar panels, which we also purchased from Signature Solar, are Canadian Solar. We have a total of 60 panels divided into 6 strings of 10 panels in each parallel for each string. 3 strings go to each inverter using 10-gauge solar wire through conduit. The panels are installed on ground mounts from Kyle Sinclair of Sinclair Designs. If you're interested in doing something similar, I'm going to encourage you to click the link down below. The guys there at Signature Solar will be more than happy to help you out, and that'll even get you a little bit of a discount. It also helps us out to let them know that we appreciate everything they did for us. As always, we thank you. Don't hesitate to post your questions down below. Take care.